done a wee in the toilet. He's done an actual wee. He's still going.
He's not.
He's done a proper wee in the toilet.